Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make crab fry using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including fresh crab, cooking oil, and your favorite spices. Next, clean the crab thoroughly under cold water, removing any unwanted parts. Finally, finely chop your aromatics like onions, garlic, and ginger to build a flavorful base for your dish. This preparation is key to a delicious outcome. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown and fragrant. Then, toss in the ginger, garlic, and green chilies, cooking for another minute until aromatic. Finally, add your cleaned crab pieces to this flavorful base, ensuring they are well coated. To bring out the best flavors, it's time for seasoning. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, mixing well to coat the crab. Next, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala for an extra layer of aromatic spice. Cover and cook the crab for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's fully cooked and tender. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot. Your delicious homemade crab fry is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with a side of steamed rice, warm naan bread, or your favorite flatbread. This dish pairs wonderfully with a refreshing beverage to complete your meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. We hope you love this easy and flavorful crab fry recipe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.